Hello and welcome to my stream. So I decided it would be kind of interesting to start a video series trying to solve what are called problems on the site called Project Euler. So if you're not familiar with Project Euler, um, it is kind of a list of pretty interesting and pretty interesting math and programming problems. They start off kind of easy, but as you get through them, they get more difficult. It looks like, let's see how many problems they have over here. Let's see, they have up to 600 problems. So, there's fairly a bit to go through. So I think each video I do, I'm going to try to solve one of these problems. And like I said, it's going to start off kind of easy and it'll progressively get more difficult. So really interesting problems. I worked on a few of these when I was in college, just kind of recreationally, and it's been years since I was in college. I haven't taken a look at them in a long time. So I figure, since I have some time on my hands, why not, go back to them, give them a try. This will, kind of help me with my math and help me sharpen my own math skills and my own programming skills, and just I just thought these would be interesting problems to go to. I'm gonna if these problems require some programming work, which I think most of them do, I'm gonna do all of these in Python, and when I'm done with the code, I'll go ahead and publish my work up to a GitHub repository, and you guys can kind of take a look at them, critique them. I don't really consider myself a great programmer. I've taken a lot of classes in computer science, but as far as like optimization techniques go, I'm not really that's not really my forte. But I think I'm a decent math. I think my math is okay, and well, let's just take a look at these. So the first one I'm going to do, I think I have it posted on the screen. Let me just make sure it's up there. Okay, yeah, it's on the top of the screen. Um, very first problem. This is an easy one. So if we list all the natural numbers below 10 that are multiples of 3 or 5, so basically we want to so all the numbers that are multiples of 3 or 5 and less than 10 are 3, 5, 6, and 9. The sum of those is 23. So what I want to do is I want to sum up all multiples of 3 and 5, or 3 or 5, that are below 1,000. So is that 1,000 inclusive? I feel like it would say so, but this is about as simple as it gets. This isn't something that, well, you could do it by hand. You could do it in Excel pretty easily because 1,000 isn't very big. But I said I would do try to work through all these problems in Python. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So let me open up Python over here. I already have my project set up here in PyCharm. So let's see. We're gonna do a let's say our sum is equal to 0. And we are going to take all the numbers from 0 to 999. And if we need to, we'll just add 1,000 at the end. If we can't. Oh yeah, here's something I forgot to mention. When you're finished with the problem, so it's going to ask you this question. We'll just input it into this text box over here, and I'll check if we got the right answer. So I can already tell it's going to be a really short video. So if I mod 3 is equal to 0, or let's kind of do it like this, or I mod 5 is equal to 0, then sum is equal to sum plus I. I think that should be it. So let's go ahead and print out what the sum will be onto the console down here. Let's see if this works. 233,168. So that's what it spit out to the console. Let's see if that works. And if it doesn't, we'll add 1,000 to it. 6, 2, 1, check. And, you know, this guy means good things. I think we got it right. That's it. So I'm going to try to do, you know, one of these a day. I'll try to schedule it at, you know, a more even time, like say 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Oop, oop. All right. Well, thanks for watching. Take care.